Hey everyone, Billy Darr here, and welcome to this quick demo of the Commission Robot software. Okay, so firstly, what is the Commission Robot? So in a nutshell, the Commission Robot is a software that lets your customers, lets your customers actually host cloud-based affiliate stores. Okay, now you can add in products from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, AliExpress, eBay, Amazon, so on and so forth. Okay, and it's all hosted within this platform. So let me quickly show you how it works. So you'll quickly log into the software here, and once you've logged in, you can see you're presented with this dashboard here. So you can see how many products you've added, the active products, scheduled products, and then you have this menu bar on the left hand side, which lets you customize the store. So you can add in a product. You can add in the product name, the product description, a product image, product price, the affiliate link, the call to action button, give the product a rating. You can even schedule when you want the product to be posted. And then you can also customize the store. So you can add in the store name, store headline, background color, footer color. You can enter how many products you want the store to actually showcase. So you can have 3, 6, 9, 12. And then at the same time, once your store is set up, you can also syndicate the individual products with your affiliate links to different social media sites. It comes obviously complete with training and support, and so that's what it pretty much does in a nutshell. Okay, so you can set up stores, affiliate stores, totally cloud-based, totally hosted for you, and you can get products from all types of different networks, add them into here from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank, and syndicate them to social media sites to very quickly and very easily start getting traffic and start making some affiliate commissions.